Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your passive income with YouTube, complete guide step by step clearly.
Start by identifying your niche. Research topics that resonate with your target audience. Analyze trends using tools like Google Trends or TubeBuddy. Create a content calendar to organize your video ideas.
Develop a unique value proposition to set your channel apart.
Invest in quality equipment for filming and audio.
Learn basic video editing skills to enhance your content.
Set up your channel with an appealing banner and profile picture.
Write clear, engaging video titles that include keywords.
Craft detailed descriptions filled with relevant tags and keywords. Create custom thumbnails to attract viewers.
Plan your video structure for a smooth flow. Incorporate storytelling elements to engage your audience. Aim for a consistent posting schedule to build momentum. Promote your videos on social media platforms to reach a wider audience.
Collaborate with other creators to tap into their audiences. Engage with your viewers by responding to comments. Analyze your video performance using YouTube Analytics. Identify which types of videos perform best and replicate their success. Consider monetization options like AdSense, affiliate marketing, or merchandise. Continuously educate yourself about YouTube algorithms and trends. Optimize your videos for SEO to increase visibility. Experiment with different formats, such as live streaming or tutorials. Focus on building a community around your content. Reinvest earnings back into your channel for better equipment or marketing. Stay patient and committed. Success often takes time. Adapt your strategy based on audience feedback and analytics.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.